In this video, we will discuss labeling reference files. If you'd like to follow along with this video, please open the file labelingreferencefiles.dwg located in the training folder as discussed in the Working with this dataset video. Civil 3D also enables you to label some Civil 3D objects not through a data shortcut, but through X references. If I select this object, you'll notice that it's a reference file. In this file, there's a surface and some parcels and alignments. If you look in our Prospector tab, you'll notice there are no surfaces in this file, nor are there any alignments as well. What's great about this functionality is that you can go to the Annotate tab, Labels and Tables panel, and let's go ahead and add surface labels. I'll go ahead and pick on the contour multiple interval. For minors, we don't want any. And we'll go ahead and click Add. We'll pick our object. Notice how it's finding it in the actual reference file. We'll just drag our line here. We'll make it 500 for a distance to display the contour label lines. And as you can see, there are our labels. Again, it's all coming from the referenced surface. The same thing applies to parcels. So let's go ahead and go to the parcel labels. We'll click on multiple segment. We'll leave the default label styles, click Add, and then pick your parcel. And notice how you can just keep going here and automatically label your parcels. Again, these parcels don't live in the drawing. They're simply in the reference file. One thing to mention, if you go ahead and freeze the actual layer that the object is on, it still displays the labels.